Welcome to our overview of Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA services. After watching this video, you'll be able to identify and use the services offered by FBA. FBA offers several services that can help make sellers' jobs easier. Let's find out what services are available and how you can benefit from using them. There are 9 core FBA services: Amazon Partnered Carriers, Multi-Channel Fulfillment, FBA Label, FBA Prep, FBA Furbishing, Manual Processing, FBA Customer Service, FBA Small and Light, and Pan-European FBA. You can find the help page for each service by searching for FBA services in Seller Central. In the Amazon Partnered Carrier program, sellers receive deeply discounted rates for shipping their inventory to fulfillment centers. Using a partnered carrier for these shipments can greatly reduce costs. The cost for these shipments is also billed directly to your seller account as an inbound transportation charge. This is available to FBA sellers for small parcel deliveries (SPD) within the UK, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Sweden, Poland and the Netherlands, and less than truckload, full truckload, LTL, FTL shipments, also called pallet shipments, within the UK, France, Germany, Spain and Italy. The next FBA service, Multi-Channel Fulfillment or MCF, lets you use inventory stored in Amazon fulfillment centers to fulfill orders created on your own website or other channels, such as Shopify. The orders are delivered at the same speeds offered through FBA. You can use our fee calculator to preview MCF fees. Next, you can use the FBA Label service to have Amazon apply barcode labels to your inventory for a per-item fee. Your products can't be prohibited, restricted, or of high value, and they must have a single scannable barcode, UPC, EAN, JAN, or ISBN, that corresponds to an ASIN in Amazon's catalog. Note that your product must have a product ID, or GTIN, like a UPC, in order to be eligible for the FBA Label service. If your product doesn't have a product code and barcode, you must label it yourself. Next, you can use the FBA Prep service to have Amazon properly package and prepare your products for fulfillment for a per-unit fee so that it meets FBA Prep requirements. Each unit must have a product ID and scannable barcode. If Amazon preps your products, the FBA Label service may be included automatically for selected products. With FBA Furbishing, Amazon will repackage your eligible FBA items that customers have returned, so the items can be resold, saving you time. For refurbishment services, FBA can tape, glue, and staple boxes again, depending on the item. Next, with the manual processing service, you don't have to provide box content information when you ship inventory through FBA. Amazon will manually process your boxes at the fulfillment center for a per-item fee. Note that each box you include must have its own unique FBA box ID label printed, even if you're not providing box content information. With FBA Customer Service, our world-class customer service team saves you time by managing customer inquiries, refunds and returns for FBA items bought on the Amazon store. There is no extra charge for this service except for certain product categories, including clothing and jewelry. Next, with FBA Small and Light, Amazon can help you reduce the costs of fulfilling orders for small and lightweight products priced £9 or less, including VAT. Products that are enrolled in the Small and Light program will stand out to Prime customers with free standard shipping and will benefit of Amazon's trusted fulfillment and customer services. Lastly, with Pan-European FBA, Amazon will help you to sell across Amazon's EU stores by enabling placement of your inventory closer to customers. After you send your products to an EU fulfillment centre, we store your inventory across our EU fulfillment network in the countries that you have enabled for inventory placement in order to meet anticipated customer demand. We distribute your inventory across these countries at no additional cost. You can track your pan-European FBA offers by using all of your standard reports and tools. Learn more about each service by searching for FBA services in Seller Central. This concludes our overview of FBA services. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.